you can shoot videos with your DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro without an SD card. Okay, so this camera allows you to record because it has built-in memory. Unlike the GoPro that you have to put in an SD card, this one you just go. So for instance, I can open up the battery compartment, and this is normally where the SD card goes, and you can see there's no SD card. That's because this has an internal memory of about, well, I'm not sure, but it's quite some storage space. So let's check together. So I'm going to swipe down and go to settings, and then under settings, scroll to storage. If we can find storage, here we are. So we have storage, and you can see we have internal storage space of about 47.7 gigs of storage space. Now, I've not recorded any meaningful videos. I only have about 2 clips here. Let me see. I have 2 clips here, so that's all. That's one. Actually, that's all. Only 1 clip, 1 25-second clip. So if I delete this, then it should be more or less the same amount of storage space. So that is basically interesting, that you can record with the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro without an SD card. Okay, now even if you did have an SD card, you can choose whether you want to record into the internal storage or to the SD card. And to switch that, you go back to settings, go back to the storage settings. So let's find storage here, and when you tap on storage, you can choose whether you want to go switch to the SD card or to the internal storage. You can just choose where you want to save your footage and your photos. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and good luck.